Hey. What's behind the curtain? What do you think it is?
Do we take it off now?
Yeah, say 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Ooh, look at that! Go look at that dollhouse!
What is that?
Ooh.
Dollhouse.
That's from Tito Mac.
Say thank you, Tito Mac!
Thank you.
She can't show her excitement.
Yo!
She's like still all shy.
It's your dollhouse. Hang out.
Ganda? Ganda? Oh.
Go play with it.
Play with it. Come on.
She's still...
What's that?
Yeah, she doesn't know what it is.
What's
Where's
that?
your doll? You gotta put that your doll for your Barbie, huh?
I got the baby.
Oh yeah?
Oh, yo.
Di marunong mag-
What's that? What's in that room, Casey? Casey, what's in that room? What's over there? What's that? What is that? No, this one. What's that?
Ooh, chair.
It's a swing. A swing? What about here?
Look at here.
That's funny.
What's up?
That's funny.